Join me to make this delicious gizzard stew that you can pair with either white rice or spaghetti. So to begin, I started by steaming my gizzard. This is 1 kilo of gizzard, and then I seasoned with seasoning cube. Added some onions, I added some thyme, and lastly I went in with some curry powder. You can literally make use of whatever seasoning you wish. And then I gave that a gentle mix and I covered it and allowed to cook without adding water for 6 minutes. Exactly after 6 minutes, I checked on it and it was ready. So I took it off the fire and then I proceeded to frying the gizzard. I fried it until it is golden brown. So this is me removing the gizzard from the frying pan. So after that, I proceeded to making my stew. I added some oil into the pan and then I went in with some onions. I sauteed the onions for 3 minutes. After that, I went in with my ginger and garlic. And then I gave that a quick fry before going in with my minced pepper and fresh tomato blended together. I fried that for about 6 minutes until the oil flows on top. And then at this point, I went in with my tomato paste. I fried that for about 3 minutes. After that, I went in with my seasoning cube. I went in with some curry powder and then I went in with the gizzard stock. So I mixed everything thoroughly and allowed it to fry for 5 minutes. So at this point, I proceeded to making my spag. I added some oil into the water, added some salt, and then I went in with my spaghetti. So at this point, I checked on the stew and then I went in with the fried gizzard. The gizzard we fried earlier. I stirred to combine and then I went in with my carrots, and after that, I went in with my bell peppers. I made use of the yellow, green, and red bell peppers. I gave it a quick mix for everything to combine and then I allowed it to simmer for just few minutes. So lastly, I went in with my curry leaf. This is optional, but guys, trust me, it is so nice. At this point, it was ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and please do not forget to click on the subscribe button, share the video and drop a nice comment. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.